The Artemis program's biggest challenge was landing the massive Starship safely on the moon's rugged, unprepared surface. The lunar landscape is unpredictable, filled with deep craters, jagged rocks, and fine dust that can destabilize even the most advanced spacecraft. Engineers knew that a single miscalculation could mean disaster for the mission and for the astronauts on board. Delays and doubts mounted, especially as China's lunar ambitions grew. Every setback for Artemis was closely watched, fueling speculation that the United States might lose its lead in the new space race. The pressure was on, and the world was watching. Then, Elon Musk stunned the world with a secret SpaceX breakthrough. The announcement came out of nowhere, catching both competitors and supporters off guard. Instead of clunky landing legs, Starship would use a revolutionary system hidden inside its base. This new approach promised greater stability and safety, even on the moon's most treacherous terrain. This wasn't just a technical update, it was a bold leap forward. The innovation represented a complete rethink of how lunar landings could be achieved. NASA had just reopened the lunar lander competition, worried about falling behind. The agency was searching for fresh ideas and new partners to keep America in the lead. Musk's reveal was perfectly timed, silencing critics and reigniting excitement. Suddenly the conversation shifted from doubt to possibility. The new system was intelligent, fast, and adaptable, unlike anything before. It could react in real time to the moon's unpredictable surface, using advanced sensors and AI to find the safest landing spot. SpaceX showed it was not only still in the race, but leading it. The company's bold vision and technical prowess were on full display. The announcement was a direct answer to calls for urgency and innovation. It sent a clear message. SpaceX was ready to push boundaries and set new standards. Former NASA leaders had questioned America's ability to beat China back to the moon. The stakes had never been higher, and the competition was fierce. Musk's solution felt like a turning point, overcoming a technical hurdle that had stumped engineers for years. It inspired a new wave of creativity and determination across the industry. This wasn't a minor tweak. It was a game-changer for lunar exploration. The possibilities for future missions suddenly seemed limitless. The space community buzzed with hope. Artemis's ambitious goals suddenly seemed within reach. Engineers, scientists, and dreamers everywhere felt a renewed sense of purpose. SpaceX had just redefined what was possible for America's return to the moon, setting the stage for a new era of exploration and discovery. Landing on the moon is notoriously difficult, especially for a vehicle as massive as Starship. Apollo's small landers used wide legs for stability, but Starship is a skyscraper-sized rocket. Traditional landing legs would be too heavy and unwieldy, adding costly weight. Every extra kilogram means more fuel, more complexity, and more risk. The Artemis program's vision is to land anywhere, not just on flat, safe ground. Starship must handle rugged, unpredictable terrain, craters, rocks, and slopes. Old designs couldn't offer the flexibility or efficiency needed for a vehicle this size. Without a breakthrough, Starship's role as the primary lunar lander was in jeopardy. NASA's search for alternatives put pressure on SpaceX to deliver. The challenge: create a stable, lightweight landing system for any lunar surface. The solution would need to unlock the moon's full potential for exploration. SpaceX's answer would change everything. Elon Musk's answer to the challenge of landing on unpredictable lunar terrain was the Adaptive Deployment System, or ADS, a revolutionary approach to spacecraft landings. Hidden within Starship's base, the ADS replaces traditional bulky landing legs with a set of smart, retractable struts designed for maximum efficiency and safety. These struts remain tucked away during flight, preserving the rocket's sleek aerodynamic profile and keeping it as light as possible for the journey. As Starship approaches the surface, ADS comes alive, adapting in real time. Advanced sensors, like LiDAR and terrain scanners, constantly scan the landing zone as the rocket hovers above. The system instantly creates a detailed map of the terrain, detecting obstacles such as rocks, craters, and steep slopes that could threaten a safe landing. Each strut then extends independently, using precise hydraulic mechanisms to adjust its length and angle, matching the unique contours of the ground beneath it. If one side of Starship is over a deep crater, those struts reach farther. If another is over a rock or ridge, they adjust less, ensuring perfect balance. The result is remarkable. Starship plants itself firmly, even on the most uneven or rugged ground, maintaining stability for crew and cargo. There's no need for pre-built landing pads or prepared sites. Starship brings its own intelligent landing platform wherever it goes. With ADS, the entire lunar surface becomes a potential landing site, opening up new possibilities for exploration and discovery. This breakthrough technology makes it possible to target scientifically valuable, previously unreachable locations, unlocking secrets of the moon's history. ADS is the key to landing a giant rocket almost anywhere on the moon, paving the way for a new era of lunar exploration. The magic of ADS is its fusion of artificial intelligence and Tesla-inspired hardware. As Starship descends, sensors feed real-time data to a powerful AI which instantly maps the landing site. The AI calculates the perfect length for each strut, sending commands to advanced electromechanical actuators, technology borrowed from Tesla's electric cars. These actuators react in milliseconds, creating a custom-fit cradle for Starship on the fly. The process is faster than a heartbeat, ensuring a stable, level landing, even on treacherous ground. This active, intelligent system prevents tip-overs, the greatest risk in lunar landings. By combining digital brains with responsive hardware, SpaceX has made landing a controlled, reliable process. Starship doesn't just land, it intelligently grips the moon, ready for exploration. ADS gives the US a powerful edge in the new space race with China, setting the stage for a new era of lunar exploration and competition. While China relies on traditional landers and targets only safe, flat sites, Starship's advanced design allows it to land almost anywhere, including resource-rich, rugged regions that were previously out of reach for human missions. Access to lunar water ice is crucial for future missions, as it can be used for drinking water, breathable air, and even rocket fuel. Starship's flexibility means America can reach these vital areas first, unlocking new possibilities for sustainable exploration. This isn't just about national pride, it's about securing resources, building infrastructure, and establishing a long-term presence that will shape the future of lunar activity. SpaceX's rapid innovation puts pressure on rivals, forcing them to catch up or risk falling behind in this new era of space competition. ADS is years ahead of what anyone thought possible, giving NASA more options, greater flexibility, and a much faster path to building a permanent lunar base. Astronauts can now explore ancient lava tubes, mysterious craters, and other scientifically valuable sites that were once inaccessible. The entire moon is open for science and discovery, with new opportunities for groundbreaking research and international collaboration. This leap in technology accelerates American leadership in space, inspiring a new generation and setting the pace for global exploration. SpaceX's elegant solution is more than a lander, it's a strategic tool for the future, opening the door to a new era of American achievement on the moon and beyond. SpaceX didn't just reinvent landing, they streamlined the entire Artemis mission. The original plan required many launches and risky in-space refueling. SpaceX's new approach reduces refueling flights by making the lander lighter and the mission more efficient. Early missions will send 2 astronauts instead of 4, cutting life support needs and vehicle mass. The Starship lander becomes a one-way vehicle, staying on the moon as a permanent outpost. Astronauts return to orbit in a smaller ascent module, then head home in NASA's Orion capsule. This architecture means fewer launches, less risk, and more cargo for science. Each mission leaves behind a new habitat, building the first pieces of a lunar base. The plan is faster, safer, and more reliable, moving from visits to settlement. SpaceX's vision, not just landing on the moon, but starting to live there. SpaceX's innovations have shattered barriers to lunar exploration. ADS turns the whole moon into a landing zone, while the new mission plan lays the groundwork for a permanent base. Each Artemis mission becomes a step toward a sustainable human presence. The US can now move faster, explore farther, and build a future on another world. SpaceX's bold engineering and vision have reignited momentum for Artemis. The goal is no longer just flags and footprints, it's a thriving outpost and a gateway to the solar system. With Starship, humanity's next giant leap is within reach. The dream of living on the moon is closer than ever, thanks to a solution that was hidden in plain sight.